Welcome back to the channel. Today I am super excited to share with you the unboxing of the Bose noise cancelling 700s or the NC700s. For the longest time I've been looking for a replacement pair for my older QC35s, and this just arrived and I'm super excited to share. So looking at this box back here, it says Bose noise cancelling headphones 700. Premium sound, world class. It supports iPhone, iPad, whatever that you have there. Comes with the headphone itself, the traveling case, and a couple cables. Okay, so let's start with opening up the box itself, and just ooh, wow, this is really amazing. I really enjoyed opening that box right there and kind of looking at this traveling case. It looks amazing. Just the feel of it, I think, inspires confidence, and the build quality of this Bose workmanship, just really, really awesome. It comes with a user's manual, and well, no one really looks at it. And let's see kind of what's remaining in the box here. I think, yeah, so nothing really in there. Okay, so let's look at the headphones itself. And for the longest time, I've been looking for a new set, and I was comparing between the Sonys, the QCs. Ooh, yep, the headphones front and center, right? That's the center focus piece right there. And notice that it's not foldable, it lays down flat, and that's one of my concerns in terms of space savings. And I really like this thing here inside the carrying case where you can kind of flip open. It's like this little secret pouch, right? And you can kind of store little things in there. You can store your two cables. It comes with a USB-C and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Yeah, but if you're not using that space for cable storage, you can potentially, fit in maybe like I don't really know what you would kind of fit in there. Maybe like a little power bank if you wanted to, just kind of slide it in there. Yeah, but that's all. So let's look at the headphone itself, the King itself. The material, just right up front, the material itself feels like a huge improvement over the older QC35s. This is a matte black finish, and you can see all around the headphones, the ear cups, the headbands. It just feels much more premium. It doesn't feel a lot heavier than the older QC35s, but it does definitely feel like you're holding a very well-made headphones. Now, of course, I'm no professional in evaluating headphones, but just from a consumer perspective, I think it looks a lot better. The leather pads itself also feels a lot better because the older QC35s, after you've used it for a while, it actually starts tearing up. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the headphones in slow motion here.